Here's a quick video on locking cells. Now some people might not even know that they need to know this. So if you want to lock cells in Excel, there's a very good reason for it, right? So you'll see in this instance I have a SUMIF formula, and if I just drag this formula down, show you here, I'll unlock those cells there. Okay, so now let's just do that. F4, enter. If I just drag this down, so this is now looking at the data set on sheet 1, A2 to A20. A2 to A20. Now if I drag that formula down without locking the cells, the next one I drag it down to is only going to look at this. The one after that's only going to look at this. So let's say in where I'm adding up, I have a Casey at position number 2 on this side, then it will not add up this one here. So we need to make sure that we lock these cells. Now the first, if you press F4 once, that's F4, if you press it once, it locks both the column and it locks the row. Okay, if you press it after that again, it locks just the row, and after that once again it just locks the column. Now let's say for instance you drag a formula across horizontally like this. You see how it jumps to B, column B. Now it does exactly the same when you, like I just explained, when you're dragging it down to this one. You see it jumps down to A3 and A21. So we do not want that, because we want it to look at exactly the same data set. So what we then do is, in this instance, we just have to lock the row right there. So both rows are locked. So it wouldn't really matter whether you locked both in this instance here. So you can actually just lock both if that's easier for you. And now when I drag it down, boom, it stays exactly the same. The data set that it looks at is exactly the same. So that's a really easy way that can save you a lot of time.